Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jansen Fancher with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks, and I'm sitting on a brand new 2024 Sea Ray 290 SDX. Got the double rear facing loungers on the transom, you got the foldable swim step, and walking forward, you've got a cooler down here, remote control so you can control your tunes while you're coving out. Great place to store your phones, wallets, keys, sunscreen. And of course, you got great wraparound seating, both sides. What's great about this boat is you've got dual reversible seats. So if you're not running around, you can at least hang out with everybody here. Got a day head, and of course, we've got fantastic seating up in the bow. I'm 6'1", I've got plenty of space to lounge out. This boat's powered by an 8.2 Mercruiser, 380 horsepower engine. If you have any questions on this boat, feel free to give us a call. My number is 573-606-3029. Thank you and have a great day.